Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelli.
And we really enjoyed our adventures with Only Have One Life to Live and our RVing around the country for the last 3 years. But as many of you know, we've got to return to the office.
We had so many fun adventures, from hot air balloon riding in Sedona, skydiving in Key West, deep sea fishing in Port Aransas, and spotting aliens in Roswell, to name a few.
We still love to travel, and we're going to continue to do that. However, on the Only Have One Life to Live YouTube channel, we're going to keep doing RV reviews and some of our adventures and friends and things that we meet with full-time RVing.
Since we still want to travel, we have decided to concentrate on cruising, another great way to travel and see the world. We have started a second YouTube channel to share those experiences with you. We can't wait to show you diving in St. Thomas, snorkeling in Honduras, high tea in Jamaica, and so many more adventures.
Yeah, that's going to be really cool to show everybody that. JK Crusing will have all of our cruising adventures on it, on the 7 seas, and Only Have One Life to Live will continue to have all of our RVing adventures on there, as well as RV reviews that we're going to continue to do and showcase from time to time.
And RVing when we get the chance.
Yep.
Please jump over to JK Crusing and subscribe to it, and share it with all your friends to help us grow that channel.
Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and thank you guys for all the support of the last 3 years.
It has meant the world to us.
Really, truly has. Thank you.